favorite sides to go along with grilling season is baked beans. Baked beans are so simple. I'm gonna show you how to make it even easier. We are gonna throw everything in a crock pot, walk away for a couple hours, and it is gonna be done. This is a recipe that my family always made growing up. It is delicious and, like I said, really easy to make. So let's go spice things up.
So the first thing you'll need is 2 cans of pork and beans, and just put them right in your crock pot. And these are 2 cans of 28 ounces, so they are the bigger cans. Next, you'll want 6 strips of bacon, and I already cut these up, so I just want to put them right in the crock pot, uncooked. And then 1 medium-sized onion that I already chopped up, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and a 1/2 cup of ketchup, and then 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, or however you want to say it. And then 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. This just gives it a nice smoky flavor. And then 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. And then for the seasoning, some garlic powder, some crushed pepper, and some crushed salt. And then just stir all the ingredients together. Like this. And then you'll just want to put your lid on. And I'm going to cook mine on high for 2 hours, but you can also cook yours on low for 4 hours. But I just want mine done faster, so we are going to come back in about 2 hours. All right, we're back. It's been 2 hours. Time to check on it. And then you want to give it one last stir. Just make sure all the ingredients are mixed together. And then it is done.
Oh yeah, guys, these smell so good. I'm so excited to try them for you. So without further ado, oh yeah, so much flavor in these. They are so delicious and so easy to make. I hope you guys give it a try. And comment down below what your favorite side dish to make with grilling season. If you want to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.